If you use ChatGPT right, it's pretty much like printing your own money. But if you're going to use it to create articles for a blog or for Fiverr, chances are you're not going to make too much money. The quality of the articles that ChatGPT is writing at the moment just don't cut it for those platforms. But what I found was a real way that you can start using ChatGPT to start earning a couple $100s a day. And the best part is that it's completely free. You don't have to spend a single dime to make it work, and it's so easy a 5-year-old could do it. And you don't need a website or traffic. Let me show you a quick example of what ChatGPT can do. Let's say that you were looking to lose weight after 50. All you have to do is ask ChatGPT to create a blog post about losing weight after 50, and it's going to generate you an article like this, which is perfect for answering simple questions to common problems. More on that in just a bit. Most people think that the only way or the best way to make money from ChatGPT is to go to platforms like Fiverr and do freelance jobs for writing articles. But again, the quality of the articles that ChatGPT writes is not the quality that people hire you to write on Fiverr. So the question is, what is the best way to make money online using ChatGPT effectively so you can start making money and building your income from this? What I recommend is to start using a platform like Quora. This is a social media platform where you're going to find people that's asking questions related to common problems. So people use this website to get answers, and what we're going to do is use ChatGPT to create detailed answers for these questions. And then we're going to monetize these answers by adding affiliate products. And this is one of the easiest ways to make money with ChatGPT, because the only thing we have to do is get the answer with ChatGPT, paste it into Quora, and monetize our answer with an affiliate product, and you're good to go. So if you do the strategy that I'm getting ready to show you, the chances are you can make a couple $100s a day, considering that you do it consistently and you work for at least an hour or two every single day. So the first thing that we need to do is to find a profitable niche. But what we also need to identify are niches that have common problems that people seek the answers to. And what I believe is 3 of the biggest problems that people have is with relationships, finance, health and fitness, weight loss, etc. So for example, let's just consider the niche weight loss. So what we're going to do is go up into search and we're going to enter weight loss and enter. And then you want to go into your filters and just select past week because we don't want any old questions. And now if we just look through a couple of these questions, we got why is diet and weight loss important? What is the connection to weight loss? Who should go for weight loss, etc. So if we just go up here and we're going to copy this question here, and then we're going to go to ChatGPT and we're just going to paste that question in and we're going to send a message. And as you can see, ChatGPT is going to print up a detailed answer to the question for us. And once ChatGPT is finished answering that question, you just want to look through it a little bit, make sure it's detailed. As you can see here, physical health, reduced risk of chronic diseases, improved cardiovascular health, mental health, you got reduced depression and anxiety, quality of life, longevity, etc. So once you look through this answer, you just want to edit the answer for clarity, make sure it's easy to understand, and add a personal touch if necessary. You just want to make sure that it's informative and engaging as possible. Next, we're just going to go ahead and copy this. So we're just going to go here and copy. And then we're just going to go back to Quora. We're going to open that up, click answer, and we're just going to paste that in. Now what we want to do is add our affiliate marketing product to our answer so we can monetize it and make money. So what we're going to do is just scroll all the way down to the bottom here, put your cursor here, hold shift and press enter twice. And we're just going to say something like my personal recommendation for weight loss. And then we're going to put our affiliate link here. Next, we want to visit platforms like ClickBank or Digistore24, create a free account and log in. Now, once you log in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. You just want to make sure that you're at the marketplace. And then you're going to search for products that's related to the niche that you're targeting, such as weight loss, freelance writing, or social media management, etc. But in this case, we're just going to stick with weight loss. So you just want to go into the search and enter weight loss and enter. And as you can see here, you'll have several products to choose from. You just want to choose the product that's going to be the best fit for the question that we're answering on Quora. And then you would do the same at clickbank.com. Just create a free account and log in. And once you log in at ClickBank, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. You just want to make sure that you're at the marketplace. And what you could do is either look through the health and fitness category, or you could be more specific and you could type in weight loss here in the search. But for now, I'm just going to stay with the health and fitness category. Next, you just want to make sure that you sort your products by high to low. So the highest performing products are going to be right here at the top. And as you can see, you have Live Pure, Alkaline, Ikira juice, etc. So if I go here to Alpaline and I just open up the product page, the Alpaline Secret for Healthy Weight Loss. So this right here looks like the perfect product for our answer on Quora that we could recommend to people that's looking to lose weight. So now we're just going to go back into our dashboard and we're going to go here and click promote. And then we're just going to create hop link. And this is our affiliate link that we're going to use to promote this product. And we just want to copy it. And this link is really long. So what you would do is go to a link shortener website like bit.ly.com. It's completely free to sign up, as you can see here. And you would just paste your long link here and you can shorten it. And once we shorten it, we would go back to Quora and just paste our affiliate link in here. And then you just want to keep an eye on your Quora answers. If a particular answer gains traction and goes viral, it could bring a lot of traffic to that affiliate offer and you can make a lot of money. But you don't want to stop at just one answer. This is all about volume. So you want to continue finding and answering relevant questions across different niches. This gives you even more of a chance to go viral on Quora, so you don't have to just focus on weight loss. For example, if we go back to Quora and we search, how do you make money online? And then you just want to go into your filters and make sure that you select for the past week because we don't want any old questions. So as you can see here, you have how do you make money online without leaving your bed? How do you make money part-time online? So if I copy this and just go back over to ChatGPT and paste that question in and hit go, it's going to generate the answer for us. So now we get our answer. As we can see here, let's see, freelancing, content creation, remote work, affiliate marketing, etc. So this right here is a pretty good answer. So I would just copy this and we're pretty much going to do the same thing we did before. We're just going to open this question up, click answer, and we're just going to paste that answer in. Just scroll all the way down to the bottom, hold shift and hit enter. And we could just say something like, my personal recommendation to make money online. Next, we're going to go back to ClickBank so we can monetize our answer. And this is where we're going to select the category e-business and e-marketing. And as you can see, we got products like live chat jobs, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, eCoverly, world's #1 animated e-cover creator, etc. So it's pretty much rinse and repeat. It's just a different niche. You just want to choose the products that's going to be the best fit for the question that you're going to be answering on Quora. So you would just get your affiliate link from ClickBank, use bit.ly to shorten it, and then come back to Quora and paste your affiliate link in here, and you would just hit submit. And the only thing that's really left for you to do now is to repeat the process, experiment with different affiliate products to see which one works best for you. This is something that really works and one of the easiest ways to start growing your business and making money online. So in just a few steps, you can make some real good money with ChatGPT and affiliate marketing. And now check out this video to discover how you can copy and paste YouTube shorts and earn money. Anyone can do this, and I'll show you how to do it in this video right here, so check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with the notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, I'll see you in the next video.